How to delete Canva recording. Hey everyone, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will guide you that how can you delete your Canva recording. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open Canva on your PC or laptop. Alright, after you open Canva, from there you'll have to just open any presentation from where you want to delete your recording. So in my case, I have opened my presentation from here, and after you open that presentation, you'll got such interface. So from here, at the top right corner, click on share. Alright, so from the share section, you'll have to click on public view link. Alright, so now from this public view link, this design is being shared publicly. Anyone with the link will be able to view it. And from here, if you want to delete the video or some recording from here, you'll have to just click on the options like delete this link. So for that, you'll have to just click on three dot over here, and from here click on delete. Alright, click on delete. Okay, after you done that, you'll be able to delete your recording from Canva. And there is one another way to delete your recording from your Canva. So for that, come on this upload section. So simply click on upload here. Alright, after you come on this interface, click on videos or audio, and from this section you can easily find all of your recordings on this section. So in my case, I have no any. So if you have anyone recording here, you'll have to just click on that three dot option just at the top right corner of that video or audio, and from here you can simply click on the option move to trash, and after you click it, you'll be able to delete your recording from your Canvas. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.